Have you noticed that Seedance 2 generated videos still don't look truly sharp on larger screens? Even though Seedance 2 can create amazing cinematic videos, the export resolution is still limited up to 1080p. In this video, I'll show you how to upscale a Seedance 2 video to 4K using a powerful AI video enhancer inside Crun AI. Let's get started. Find the AI Video Enhancer tool. Here you'll see the Video Enhancer workspace. On the left side, there is the input panel, and on the right side, you can preview the enhanced result. Now upload your Seedance 2 video. Once the video is uploaded, you can choose the enhancement settings. For mode, you can select Standard or Pro. If you want a faster and simple enhancement, choose Standard. If you want better quality and more advanced processing, choose Pro. Next, choose the strength. For most Seedance 2 videos, mild is a good option if the video already looks clean. Now select the scene type. For general AI-generated videos, choose General or AIGC. Since Seedance 2 is an AI video model, AIGC is usually a good choice. Next, go to the resolution options. Here select 4K. You can also adjust the FPS setting if needed. If you want to keep the original motion style, leave the FPS close to the original video. If you want smoother playback, you can increase it, depending on your project needs. After all settings are ready, click Generate. Now wait for Crun AI to process the video. The tool will enhance the footage, improve clarity, and upscale it to 4K. When the generation is complete, check the preview on the right side. If the result looks good, download the enhanced 4K video. And that's all about how you can upscale Seedance 2 videos to 4K easily with Crun AI. If you want sharper AI videos with better clarity and professional quality, be sure to try the AI Video Enhancer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.